Alok Singh joining us live. In fact, he's tracking the CBI for us this morning. He's right outside the CBI headquarters. So, Alok, we've seen dramatic developments since last evening. Today, we want to understand from you what will be the due process and procedure that will be followed with regards to P. Chidambaram.
Well, yes, former Home Minister P. Chidambaram was arrested yesterday by the team of CBI from his residence, and he was yesterday taken to the CBI headquarters, and in fact, which is located just 3-4 kilometers away from his residence. We saw the dramatic thing that had happened when the CBI team reached to his home to arrest him, and it went around for
not being answerable to the law. You saw that Mr. Chidambaram came and he made a clean breast of it. He then went home, and the matter is listed on Friday. Everyone knows it's listed on Friday. They could have waited till Friday to see what the Supreme Court wants to do. To frustrate an appearance before the Supreme Court and permitting time for the Supreme Court to take a view. Now let the people judge whether this is the kind of legal system we want to support, or all that talk about emergency and talk about taking away people's rights. What meaning does it have if this is how we're going to proceed?
Also, yesterday, the CBI numbers and the ED officers' numbers were very high. So many ED officers has came. Do you have to say anything on this?
Well, I think the whole thing smacks clearly to an exaggeration. An exaggeration which impinges upon the rights and the liberty of the citizen. Mm-hmm. And this is being done by a government that claims to have come in the name of the rights of the citizens. So what does the country make of it?
So what is the next step? So last question.
No, it's the normal system of law that if you're arrested, then you're produced in court, and then you have your rights to seek bail.
So you are hopeful, sir, regarding the bail fee and the...
Well, let's see. Let's not anticipate anything that courts will do, but certainly I can say, and I will repeat once again, that we are very confident that there is no case against Mr. Chidambaram.
Thank you so much, sir.
Alok Singh continues to be with us. Now, Alok, sorry to have cut you off earlier, but, now with the Congress party throwing their weight behind P. Chidambaram, what next though for the agency? Because the agency also has to try and show the court that they have grounds to arrest Mr. Chidambaram. They had grounds to take the actions they took last night. What's going to be the CBI strategy going forward?
As of now, P. Chidambaram is in the CBI headquarters, and he was, in fact, interrogated yesterday. After that, he was medically examined also, and today, in fact, he is again interrogated by the special team of the CBI. In the afternoon, he was taken to the court where he will be produced, and in fact, the CBI will seek a custody around 14 days, and then the court will give the custody. Later after that, he will be again interrogated, and the CBI will try to go more deeper into the investigation of this INX Media money laundering case. And remember, this is the cheating case and also the POC, Prevention of Corruption Act. These are the cases that are registered in the CBI, in fact, against him. And remember, the important point here is what, in fact, the P. Chidambaram and the Congress party had raised, that his name is not mentioned in the FIR as well as the charge sheet. So earlier, and in fact, the yesterday's press conference, the Congress party leaders and in fact the P. Chidambaram said that his name was not there, but he was in fact arrested, and he is being arrested by the CBI. So all these things, and in fact, if we go by the CBI version, the CBI says that his role was particularly there, and they have arrested on the basis of the state statement of Mukherjee, who is already in the custody of the police, in the custody of the CBI, and she is already behind the bars. So they have arrested him on the basis of the statement. So there are several versions that all these versions will be looked into it. All angles will be looked into the whole investigation of the INX media, that is the cheating and the fraud case. But as of now, the situation is the Home Minister, the former Home Minister, is in the custody of the CBI, and in the afternoon he will be taken for the production before the court.